Morning, guys. I'm gonna make some French toast for my boys. They've been out of school all week because we've had snow. So I'm gonna get some French toast started for them. They've been doing virtual, but yesterday and today are all makeup. Just makeup work and stuff that they didn't get completed. So I'm gonna do that for breakfast, and my younger one, he has a little Google Meet for speech, because he does speech in school, so he's going to be doing that. I'm just putting up my broom that was left out. So let's get started. I'm just gonna put them in the oven. I think I called it French toast and I meant cinnamon sugar toast. I'm not sure if I said that or not, but I'm gonna put this in the oven and let it cook, and then I'm gonna get my boys gathered up so they can eat and finish any work that they have left to finish. And at noon, my littlest one has his little meeting for speech, so he can get some speech in since they haven't been in school this week. So anyways, I think that's all for now. I'm back. I didn't fix my hair. I did put some clothes on because I have some stuff to do today. I'm fixing to make some coffee because I need some caffeine. Toast is almost done, so.
Some rest. If I stay, I lose my breath. I'm going to find my space. We did it before. Now I'm going down. When I
the outside's looking like. And it's still cold. We have woods in our backyard, so you can see deer sometime back here. That's really pretty. It was prettier.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights.
There. Did a little something with my hair, and it needs wash, but we were conserving our heat, so I haven't been able to wash my hair. So tonight, that's what I'm doing. Fixing to get the boys so they can eat and get prepared for the day. I threw some dry shampoo in it and it made it greasier. Not a huge fan of it, but when you need it, you need it. I'm supposed to be getting my hair done this week, but the snow caused it not to happen. So next week, hopefully, I'm gonna get my extensions put back in, so I can have long, luxurious hair.
Won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Okay, so my plans got canceled, so I'm gonna clean out my fridge and organize it a little more and get rid of stuff that has been in the fridge that needs thrown out.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, nah. attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now, now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now, now, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind.
Okay, that's just a little bit of what I did. Not a whole lot, just enough to get it organized back up again. Because I didn't get to do some of the grocery shopping I needed to today, so I'll be doing that tomorrow. So I've got this clear. I need to go in my pantry and do some of that as well. But this is what we're looking at right now. Okay, so I got dinner done, and I'll show you what all I have done. I made some steaks, but these steaks I started last night, and I just finished them off on my little grill thing and then popped them in the oven to kind of keep them warm till I got my potatoes done and all my other stuff. So here's what I have. So we're having steak, some potatoes, mac and cheese, peas, spinach, and green beans. So I had 1 can of green beans left and 1 can of spinach left. So I went ahead and made peas so that they can kind of figure out which vegetable that they want to eat, so that there was plenty for everybody to eat. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you'll come back and hit a like and subscribe.
And the lights are out and you stumble in the dark. You kept pushing on, but then you went too far. When your ship has sailed and all your dreams are lost, everything is wrong, you feel like it's your fault.